that world famous Little Toot Dolphins. And now, one more time, give it up for that calf. Give it up for that jumping baby!
So here's this girl.
I am very happy.
So we just got done with the Little Toot. What there? The Little Toot boat tour. Did the sunset one.
And we highly recommend it.
Yes. I don't know if there's different captains, but Dave and Schultz.
Awesome.
Dave turns out to also be the lead researcher at the local Clearwater aquarium here.
Yeah.
And he knows all these dolphins by name and number because he actually tracks them in the local area here. So, very knowledgeable guy.
Get all the way to our hotel. Rod rental, I told you. So I guess this is where you go fishing?
Oh, you gotta pay.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh. Checking it out. Come on.
Ice cream tastes good anywhere.
So I've got my outfit laid out for tomorrow. I've got my stuff packed. And this guy is doing his homework. His stuff. And let's see, it's about 11:30 at night almost. And this is currently what it looks like outside. So the pool is closed. My lens is getting really nasty, but you can't see the lake. I mean the Gulf of Mexico right now. So here we go. Ooh, babe, it's so humid out there. My lens is like super foggy. Dude, you're supposed to be doing homework.
Alright, we are now leaving the Opal Sands for a little bit to go get some breakfast. Eat.
Hey, how are you?
Okay, good, how are you? Very nice, friendly staff. Me and the girlfriend here. She's just up cute, and I'm dressed up like Spider-Man. But she really loved those crab fries yesterday, so we're gonna go get some more of those.
cracked.
Don't want it?
If there's a nice one that's not cracked yet. Here we are at Clearwater Beach, and we just checked out our hotel. We're trying to grab something to eat before we head out, but the restaurant that I want to eat at is not open yet. Ready?
Oh yeah, girl.
Huh? I need to check to see what time they open. Why'd you do it like that?
Yes. A little display thing here for you guys.
Here's a Little Toot. That's where we went on our boat tour.
With Captain Dave and Schultz.
Yes, they were awesome. If you ever come here, you have to try that out. And if you're wanting to see dolphins. And I would highly recommend the sunset one because, I don't know, I think the ones during the days, it's probably going to be way too hot out there. And I don't know if that one you get as much of the dolphin sightseeing. Your baby.
Yeah,
At the roundabout
they are
second
wild
exit on
animals, so
Clearwater
it's
Memorial Causeway.
it's hit or miss. But
Yeah. And I would highly recommend staying over by the beach. Like, I know it's expensive, but it is definitely worth your money. Not having to fuss with like finding parking or anything like that.
oh yeah, and also, I guess pro tip. If you're staying at a resort, I guess like sometimes resorts come with things, and they're included in the price. We didn't know that we had 2 free bikes that we could have been using instead of walking with our 2 feet in the hot sand. I mean, it was nice, but it would have been just cool because we already paid for it. So
We didn't even read it until like the night before we were gonna check out, and we're like, oh my gosh, we could have done this and this and this, and like the resort fee covers this, and we could have did this, and we're like, darn it.
yeah. So the only thing we got out of it was 3 apples because we found out there's a pantry that you can just go to and just grab
On every
whatever you
single
want.
floor.
Every floor.
Yes.
So by the time we got to it, it was nothing but apples. So we got apples.
Yeah, but definitely we would highly recommend the hotel we stayed at. It was Opal Sands.
Opal Sands.
Very, very, very pretty view.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we are on our way to Anna Maria Island, but before we checked out of the hotel, I had to make sure that we stopped by Frenchie's South Beach Cafe so that I can get some more of these garlic fries with crab. Delicious. Right, babe?
Oh yeah.
And I also got calamari, so we're gonna try that out. But yes. You want me to feed you?
Yeah. The fries are just fries, but it's the crab
Here you go. Here's the crab.
on
I'll
there
feed
that
you
makes
some.
it delish.
Yum.
And it's real crab, not imitation crab.
And it's really fresh. So if you come here, you have to go eat there and get these fries. And the fish is really good that we had yesterday. Mine was better than yours. We are in Sarasota.
Look at that, baby. Hurry.
Oh, look at that. Is that you and me?